Badri Kashma Sharmana in 1512 AD. And first Jainese council was held in the presence of Stulabhadra at Pataliputra, right? He wrote about Bhadra Bhahu. He was the spiritual leader of Chandragupta Maurya and leader of Digambara sect of 24th Jainas Mahavira, and his book was Kalpa Sutra. Bhadra Bhahu, okay. Council of Jain Pataliputra, Stulabhadra, okay. Central budget of India is decreasing order. Central budgets it's revenue and expenditure is related to the most of the first comes revenue receipts are the most taxes government was take, and the second is second most is that revenue expenditure, and third is capital expenditure, and fourth is capital receipts, okay. About economics, cost inflation affects on highly increases unemployment, and consumers cuts down their expenditure. At then costful inflation, they don't have at then costful inflation. Okay. Venkatappa Nayaka, Karnataka's history. About Karnataka's history, we will cover in next